Apologies for the sound quality, everyone. I left my clip-on mics at home, so I'm just going to have to deal with it today. This was a bit of a on-the-spur video anyway. I wasn't expecting to be doing this, but you know, sat on Facebook, you see something, you send a couple of messages, and then before you know it, you own some random bit of stuff that you weren't expecting, and then you have to deal with it. And deal with it is something that I've got to do. So I turned up in my caddy van, and I thought, oh, I'm expecting like 3 chests of drawers and a couple of wardrobes, and I could probably get that done in 2 trips. And yeah, and when I get there, there's an entire office. I've got about 6 of these large cabinets. I've got 3 of the drawer cabinets, maybe 4. I've got about 3 of these big desks and 1 that's bigger, but that's already got broken in transit. So, but I'm not upset about that because it's just massive. I've got a full height and a mid-height wardrobe down there as well, and a couple of other bits. And it is way more than I needed. But at least now I've got a choice of how I can lay out all my space when I get the mezzanine in. The difficulty is that the mezzanine has to go in first, and this has taken up a huge amount of space in the workshop, and a lot of that space is going to be needed to get the forklift in to be able to lift the mezzanine. So now that I've put myself in this position, I need to deal with it somehow, and I think what I need to do is rearrange in here in a way that I can get a forklift in and I can move things around, and then I can get the mezzanine up, and then I can get this stuff on top of it, and then it will be finally out of the way, and I can see what I've got and then get rid of what I don't want. So let's do a bit of rearranging. Done. That was heavy. Right, next layer starts. Filming's going to be a little bit trickier now, if I can see. There we go, broke my tripod. That was good, wasn't it? Right, let's do the next lot. Right, there we go. That's all sorted. This is at least out of the way, so that you know, we get the some of you might have spotted this rather large keyboard. 10 points to anyone who can tell where it's from. I managed to use a lot of the storage here to be able to put away a lot of stuff that's in it. So while it's a lot messier, it's also a little bit tidier. So you know, 3 steps backwards and 1 step forward, I guess. The next thing to do will be to do a bit more tidying up and then get ready for the mez to go in. So thanks for hanging around on this one. I'm sorry it wasn't a really big update, but later on it's gonna make things a whole lot better. So cheers everyone.